हेलो फ्रेंड्स, चलिए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं क्लास 11 का सेल चैप्टर। इस चैप्टर में हम जानेंगे कि कैसे सेल को डिफाइन किया गया है और कैसे सेल के अंदर ऑर्गेनेल्स का फंक्शन होता है। तो इस वीडियो में हम पूरे चैप्टर को पॉइंट्स के फॉर्म में और चार्ट्स के फॉर्म में कंप्लीट करेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो व्हाट इज सेल? सेल इज स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शन यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ. Unicellular organisms are capable of independent existence and performing all functions of life. And anything less than a complete structure of cell does not ensure independent existence or living. इसका मतलब सेल से छोटा कोई भी ऐसा लिविंग एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता है. Now, cell theory. Cell theory proposed by Seldon and Swan. Seldon, all plants are made up of different type of cell which form plant tissue. Swan, the body of animals are composed of cell and cell product. Seldon and Swan was not able to describe how new cells are formed. तो चलिए इसके बाद देखते हैं आगे. फाइनल शेप टू सेल थ्योरी, जो कि रिडोल्फ बर्चू ने दिया. रिडोल्फ बर्चू ने और बोला ओमनिस सेलुला ई सेलुला. इसका मतलब है न्यू सेल्स आर अराइज फ्रॉम प्री एग्जिस्टिंग सेल्स एंड ऑल लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म आर मेड अप ऑफ सेल एंड सेल प्रोडक्ट. नाउ now here we see different type of shape of eukaryotic cells. Shape of cell may vary with its function के बेसिस पर सेल का शेप वेरी कर सकता है. जैसे हियर आरबीसी यानी रेड ब्लड सेल जो कि राउंड एंड बाइकॉन्केव है, एंड डब्ल्यूबीसी जो कि अमीबॉइड शेप है इसका, एंड कॉलमनर एपिथेलियल सेल जो कि लॉन्ग एंड नैरो. नाउ हियर वी कैन सी नर्व सेल जो कि ब्रांच एंड लॉन्ग है, ट्रैकिड्स जो कि लैंगुएटेड है, एंड मीजोफिल सेल जो कि राउंड एंड ओवल है. Now here we can see some important point regarding to cell. Outer boundary of plant cell is cell wall. Delimiting structure of animal cell is cell membrane. And semi-fluid matrix occupy the volume of cell is a cytoplasm. Main arena of cellular activity is the cytoplasm. Various chemical reaction in cytoplasm keep the cell in living state. Cell organelle present in prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Both is ribosome. यानी राइबोसोम बोथ प्रोकार्योटिक एंड यूकार्योटिक सेल्स में पाया जाता है. ऑर्गेनेल विद इन ऑर्गेनेल्स दैट इज राइबोसोम. एंड ऑर्गेनेल प्रेजेंट इन एनिमल सेल एंड हेल्प इन सेल डिवीजन इज द सेंट्रोसोम. नाउ स्मॉलेस्ट लिविंग सेल इज अ माइक्रोप्लाज्मा जिसका साइज है 0.3 माइक्रोमीटर. साइज ऑफ बैक्टीरिया जो कि 3 से 5 माइक्रोमीटर तक होता है. साइज ऑफ ह्यूमन आरबीसी इज 7 माइक्रोमीटर. Largest animal cell is a egg of ostrich, and longest animal cell is a nerve cell. Extensive compartmentalization of cytoplasm occur in eukaryotic cell due to presence of membrane-bound cell organelles. Now here we can see some important point about plasma membrane or cell membrane. Here it is a selective permeable structure of cell membrane. To study nature, RBC of mammals are used. फ्लूइड मोसेक मॉडल जो कि सिंगर एंड निकोलसन ने दिया, इन्होंने इसमें बताया कि इरेगुलर अरेंजमेंट ऑफ प्रोटीन एंड लिपिड. नेचर ऑफ लिपिड इज अ क्वासी फ्लूइड. नाउ मेम्ब्रेन फ्लूइडिटी. Quasi fluid nature of lipid molecule enable lateral movement of protein in bilayer. This line is very important. And movement of molecule measured as membrane fluidity. Fluidity is important in cell growth, endocytosis, secretion, and formation of cell junction. There is a three basic component of plasma membrane, that is lipid, protein and carbohydrate. Lipid जो कि phospholipid and cholesterol में divide है. Phospholipid amphipathic lipid bilayer and cholesterol membrane stabilizer. Phospholipid जो कि divide है polar head जो कि toward outer side and non-polar tail of hydrocarbon that is buried inside. Protect from aqueous environment. And protein on the basis of ease of extraction. Extrinsic या peripheral can be removed easily, and intrinsic or integral, partially or completely buried, cannot be removed easily. This is very important. And carbohydrate present on extracellular surface in the form of glycoprotein and glycolipid. चलिए इसके बाद हम देखते हैं membrane transport, that is divided into two parts, passive transport and active transport. In passive transport, that is divided into diffusion and osmosis of water. Diffusion divided into two parts: simple for neutral substance and facilitated for polar substance, active, from lower to higher concentration. Now we can see fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane. Here we can see sugar जो कि outer side है and peripheral protein जो कि easily remove हो सकती है और integral protein जो कि remove नहीं हो सकती है. Here it is a phospholipid bilayer and there is a cholesterol. Now cell wall. Cell wall, non-living rigid structure, outer covering of plant, fungi, and bacteria. Cell wall absent in animal cell. And function, provides shade to cells, protection from mechanical damage and infection, and barrier to undesirable macromolecules and cell-to-cell interaction. Algae cell wall, component of algae cell wall, there is a cellulose, galactans, and mannans, and mineral like calcium carbonate. Plant cell wall made up of cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin, and protein. This cell wall capable to grow and diminish with cell maturity. Cell maturity के साथ ये धीरे धीरे खत्म होती रहती है. And secondary cell wall is formed toward inner side of the cell, toward the cell membrane. This is important. Toward the cell membrane. Middle lamella, mainly composed of calcium pectate, hold neighboring plant cell together. तो इसके बाद plasmodesmata. It is a connection between middle lamella and cell wall and are transferred by plasmodesmata. Cytoplasmic connection between neighboring plant cell is also a plasmodesmata connection. चलिए इसके बाद हम जानेंगे कि एंडोमेम्ब्रेन सिस्टम क्या होता है. एंडोमेम्ब्रेन सिस्टम मेम्ब्रेन बाउंड सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स और structure with coordinated functions. It include endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, lysosome, and vacuoles. Endoplasmic reticulum, network of reticulum of tiny tubules scattered in cytoplasm and divide intracellular space in luminal region and extraluminal space. Now, now we talk about Golgi body, dense, stand rectilinear structure near to nucleus and very number of cisternae stalk parallel to each other, and the cisternae are concentrically arranged near to nucleus. Convex phase. Convex phase is a cis phase or forming phase, and concave phase is a trans phase or maturing phase. It is important. And cis and trans phase are entirely different but interconnected. Function, packaging of materials and modification of protein and formation of glycolipid and glycoprotein. Here we can see nuclear pore, and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Here, 80S ribosomes on outer surface frequently inactively protein synthesize and secretory cells. And there is a ribosome, this is a cystosol, and this is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is a major site for synthesis of lipid and steroidal hormones. Here we can see the structure of Golgi body and its function. This is a cisternae and it is a convex phase, and this is a trans phase. Function of Golgi body. Material to be packed in Golgi body comes from endoplasmic reticulum in the form of vesicles and fuse with cis phase and move toward trans phase. Now we talk about lysosomes. Single membrane bound vesicles formed by packaging in Golgi body, and it is rich in acid hydrolysis, digest carbohydrate, protein, lipid, and nucleic acid. चलिए अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now we talk about vacuole. Vacuole, membrane bound space present and can occupy up to 90% of cell volume. Its cell wall is known as tonoplast, and cell shape contain water, shape, excretory product, and concentration is more in cell shape than cytoplasm. Movement of material from cytoplasm to cell shape against concentration gradient. Contractile vacuole in amoeba help in osmoregulation and excretion. Now we talk about mitochondria. Number, shape, and size and structure are variable. Scissors like or cylindrical shape, site of aerobic respiration, and produce ATP. It is a powerhouse of cell. It is divided by fission. Here we see the structure of the mitochondria. There is a cristia. It is an infolding of inner membrane to increase the surface area. This is a inner membrane space, and this is a matrix. Here 70s ribosome and single double stranded DNA are present, and this is a outer membrane, and divide mitochondria into two aqueous compartment have specific enzymes. इसके बाद हम प्लास्टिड के बारे में जानेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो चलिए अब हम प्लास्टिड के बारे में जानते हैं। Plastid present in plant cell and euglenoids. There are three types of plastid: leucoplast, chromoplast, and chloroplast. Leucoplast is for storage of food material, like amyloplast that store carbohydrate, and for example in potato. And Uroplast, it is a protein storage. And there is a other elioplast which store oil and fat. Now, now we talk about chromoplast. It is a fat-soluble pigment carotenoid like keratin and xanthophyll. Give red, orange, and yellow color to plant parts. Now, chloroplast. It is a fat-soluble pigment carotenoid and chlorophyll for trapping of light energy. Now we can see the structure of plastid. Here we can see outer membrane. This is highly permeable, and inner membrane it is a less permeable. There is a structure known as granum, and the single unit of granum is known as thylakoid, which is chlorophyll present pigment. And this is a connection between two granum is known as stromal lamella that connect different granum. And this is a stroma. Function of plastid: enzyme for protein and carbohydrate synthesis. It has circular double-stranded DNA and 70s ribosome. चलिए इसके बाद हम राइबोसोम के बारे में जानेंगे। Ribosome. It is discovered by George Palade. It is a universal cell organelle within organelle, and present in both eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. It is made up of RNA and protein and membraneless. It has two subunits. One is large subunit and other is small subunit. Or it is a complete ribosome. Ribosome. Eukaryotic ribosome. It is a 80s ribosome and it divides into 60s and 40s. And there is a 70s ribosome which is a prokaryotic ribosome and divide into 40s and 30s. Now we can talk about cytoskeleton. It is a network of proteinous filament structure. It includes microtubules, microfilament, and intermediate filament. Function of cytoskeleton: it is a mechanical support and it helps in motility and maintain shape of the cell. चलिए इसके बाद हम जानेंगे सिलिया एंड फ्लैजेला के बारे में। तो इट इज़ अ हेयर लाइक आउटग्रोथ ऑफ सेल मेम्ब्रेन originate from centriole like basal body, and the core is covered by axoneme. It is a proteinous layer and it is 9 plus 2 microtubule arrangement. Axoneme is a 9 radial spoke. Now, cilia and flagella. Cilia is a small structure or like movement of cell or environment fluid. Flagella is present in eukaryotic and prokaryotic both, but they are structurally different. Flagella, it is a large structure, babe-like movement of the cell. Now we can see the structure of the cilia and flagella. Here we can see the plasma membrane, and it is a peripheral microtubule doublet, and it is a interdoublet bridge. It is a central microtubule, and it is a radial spoke, and it is central sheath. चलिए इसके बाद हम सेंट्रोसोम के बारे में जानेंगे। इट इज़ अ यूजुअली प्रेजेंट इन एनिमल सेल एंड membraneless cell organelles. It is a pair of perpendicularly arranged centriole plus amorphous perpendicular material. Now, centriole. It is a cartwheel structure in transverse section and 9 peripheral microtubule, triple plus 0 microtubule in central, that is 9 plus 0 arrangement. In center, proteinous hub is present, and from basal body of cilia and flagella form spindle fiber which give rise to spindle apparatus in animal cell. Now we talk about nucleus. Nucleus. Robert Brown discovered nucleus. Fleming gave the chromatin term standing of nuclear material by basic dyes. Nuclear envelope. Two parallel discontinuous membrane with perinuclear space of 10 to 50 nanometer. Nuclear envelope, it is a barrier in between cytoplasm and nucleoplasm. Nucleus. It is a structure present inside the nucleus. It is content of nucleus is continuous with rest of the nucleoplasm because it is a membraneless structure. आपको ये याद रखना है, it is a membraneless structure. The size of active RNA, it is the site of active RNA synthesis. ये थोड़ा यहाँ पे मिस्टेक होगा, please correct it. Now, actively protein synthesized cell. Protein synthesized cells. It is larger and more numerous nucleoli. Chromatin. extend an elaborate network of nucleoprotein fiber in interphase nucleus. Now we talk about nuclear pore. It is a passage for movement of protein and mRNA in both directions, outside or inside the nuclear membrane. Now, nucleoplasm. It is a nuclear matrix and it contains nucleolus and chromatin. Here we can see inside the nucleus. It is a nucleoplasm and it is a nucleolus and it is a nuclear pore or it is a nuclear membrane. Now, interphase protein. This is a nucleoprotein converted into a M-phase chromosome, and nucleoprotein is a DNA, RNA, and histone protein or non-histone protein. It means that our chromosome is made up of DNA, RNA, histone protein, and non-histone protein. Now we can see the structure of chromosome. That is two sister chromatid. It is kinetochore, and where spindle fiber are attachment here. Here there are two extension at the end of chromatid, that is satellite, that is non-staining part, or this is also known as secondary constriction, or this is a centromere. In middle it is a centromere. There are different shape of chromosome, that is here this is short arm and this is long arm, and centromere slightly away from middle, and here this is very short arm centromere near to one end of chromosome, and this is very long arm. Now we talk NCRT's summary. Nucleus not only control the activity of organelles but also play a major role in heredity. Endoplasmic reticulum contains tubules or cisternae, and endoplasmic reticulum helps in the transport of substance synthesis of protein like lipoprotein and glycogen, and ribosome occur freely in the cytoplasm or are associated with endoplasmic reticulum.